AT&T, we believe that access to affordable home internet brings incredible opportunities. Explore a digital world of possibilities and connect with family, friends, and the things that matter most. That's why there's access from AT&T. If you are a California resident and a member of your household participates in SNAP or receives SSI benefits, you may qualify for home internet at a discounted rate of $10 a month. No commitment, no deposit, no installation fee. Plus, get an in-home Wi-Fi gateway at no extra cost. Call 1-855-220-5211 or visit att.com/aware to learn more.
SNAP refers to the Federal Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SSI refers to the Federal Supplemental Security Income Program. Pricing excludes taxes and fees. Service will include a monthly data allowance depending on the type and speed of service you receive. If you exceed your monthly data plan allowance, you will be automatically charged $10 for each 50 gigabytes of data usage in excess of your data plan, even if less than 50 gigabytes is used. For details about data allowances, go to att.com/internet-usage. Wi-Fi enabled device required. Other restrictions apply.
It's on! JCPenney is going big on savings all weekend long. Friday through Sunday, score a whopping 60% off Arizona denim for the family and 60% off Arizona for kids. Tops, jeans, shorts, and more. Yeah, plus no worries. Arizona quality is guaranteed for 1 year with your receipt. A win-win? We think so. Savings so big, you don't need a coupon. This weekend at JCPenney. Offer represents savings on regular or original prices. Once supplies last. Some exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
It's tricky, isn't it? This whole better thing. Where do you begin? 5 a.m. alarms? A silent meditative retreat? Working until silly o'clock in the morning? Or maybe you can begin another way. By listening. Listening to the most inspiring voices on the planet. Listening to stories to help guide you on your own. Audible. Open your ears to the biggest selection of audiobooks from the world's most inspiring voices. Go to audible.com and start a free trial today.
We go to great lengths to protect our families. We set garage codes, parental controls, and we even set up security cameras. But there's one thing we often overlook. If you live in an apartment building and have a neighbor who smokes, your family could be in danger. Toxic smoke can travel through cracks in the walls and even the electrical outlets. And the only way to stop it is by urging your landlord to make your building completely smoke-free. Protect your family. Find out how at tobacco-free